Hello, welcome to How to Play Prelude in A Major, Opus 28, number 7 by Chopin. This video, we're going to show you how to do page 19 in the workbook. The link for the workbook is found down in the description. You can get that on Amazon. But we are going to make the chord chart for the key of A. Let's switch the camera and get started. Okay, here is the page in the workbook. We're going to fill out this chord chart. What this will do is show us every single chord in the key of A major so that then we can understand which chords are being used in the piece. All right, to start out, down here are the Roman numerals, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we add a 7. That's because we add this extra note up here. And then 6 chord, 7 with a diminished sign. This degree means it's diminished. When the Roman numerals are capitalized, that means it's a major chord. This 7 right here means it's a 7th chord of some kind. In this case, it's dominant 7th. And when the Roman numerals are lowercase, like the 2 and the 3 and the 6, those are minor chords. And then the degree sign makes it diminished. So we have a 7th chord, some major chords, minor chords. Okay, I have another video playlist and a book on how to compose that shows how to do the major keys or these chords in every major key, and it talks about what the function of all those chords are. So you can find that playlist on how to compose beautiful piano music. All right, to start here, we've got these Roman numerals. Now we're going to write the notes of the A major scale across the bottom row. A, B, there's a C sharp, D, E, F sharp, and G sharp. Okay, now what we do is we skip up. Do you see here it just says skip up? So if you look across here, here's a C sharp. If we skip a note down here, it goes to E. So you can look there, or you can just think about it in your head. I'm just going to erase that little skip I did down here so it's not so complicated. Okay. So if we skip up from B, D. Skip up from C sharp, E. Or once you've got this in the right order, you can just continue up the scale going C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. And those will all be a skip up in the scale. Okay, we repeat that process again to get the top notes of these chords. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, and D. And those will all be the correct quality of the chord, major, minor, whatever. Now here we're going to skip up again for this 7th chord. So B up to D. All right, down at the bottom of the page, it explains what I told you at the beginning, what the Roman numerals are, what all those capitals and the degree sign mean. That is how you fill out the chord chart. Now you know every single chord. So the 1 chord is right here. A, C sharp, E is the 1 chord. The 2 chord, B, D, F sharp, etc. All right, I hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.